Every child has a question. Why is that? Why are those? What are the parts of a bacterium in general biology? Join with me in my adventure where I make 3D bacterium made with things I found in our house. It's your girl Bea Janine.
Hello everyone and welcome to Parallel Universe, where this show is hosted by yours truly. Before you go back to your universe, you must finish the objectives. It is to learn how to make the 3D bacterium. But first, what is a 3D bacterium? Bacterium is a singular for bacteria. It is microscopic. You will be needing this. It is found here, everywhere. Did you know that microbacterial cells outnumber the human cells by the ratio of 10 to 1? So that simply means that in every cell of your body, there are 10 microbacterial cells nearby. Yep, that many. Anyway, are you wondering why you're here? Today I will show you how to make this picture of bacterium into a 3D dimensional model. But before that, allow me to change my outfit. Char. First thing you need is to find the materials that are available in your house. In my case, we have scrap glass and art materials including paint. I also chose glass because it looks like microscope slide that holds objects like bacteria for examination under microscope. I will be also using beads, the small ones, and some research papers. But don't worry, this is only the first drafts. Now let's make the 3D model. First thing you need to do is to cut the papers, let the sink in the water, add a little bit of glue, but it is optional, and blend it. Next is I'm going to add a paint, but this is optional, since we are going to paint it again once it hardens. And then I put the colored fibers of the paper in the strainer so that it won't be too soggy. Next is you're gonna mold the paper into the glass. You must also add more colors for the other parts of the model. Next is I cut the straps of the face mask. Don't worry, I didn't use this outside. I only used it inside while cleaning dusty places. After cutting and painting, I attached it on the glass as nucleoid. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. Then I put some glue for the beads to stick on the glass. After you molded the paper in the glass, you need to wait until it's dry. Next is I cut the toothpicks in 3 parts and color it brown for it to look like pili. Then I added the first coat of paint in our model. Next is the second coat. And that's it. We're done making the 3D model. Next is I'm going to show you what are the parts of our 3D model. This is our bacterium. The green part is the capsule. Capsule keeps the bacterium from drying out. The next thing you will see is the pili. Pili is a small hair-like projection. The next thing you will see is the flagellum. This is the flagellum. Flagellum is a singular for flagella. It is a hair-like structure that provides a means of locomotion for those bacteria that have them. Flagella or flagellum is the propeller of the bacterium. This part is the nucleoid DNA. Nucleoid is the region of cytoplasm where the chromosomal DNA is located. It is not a membrane-bound nucleus, but simply an area of cytoplasm where strands of DNA are found. So this here is where the DNA of the bacterium is located. Next is the blue part. So next is this blue right here is the ribosomes. Ribosomes are microscopic factories found in all cells, including bacteria. They translate genetic codes from a molecular language of nucleic acid. And this dark green is the cell wall. Each bacterium is enclosed by a rigid cell wall. It is composed of peptidoglycan, a protein sugar polysaccharide molecule. So this yellow part is the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is a layer of phospholipid and proteins called cytoplasm. Plasma membrane is a layer of phospholipid and proteins. It encloses the interior of bacterium, regulating the flow of the materials in and out of the cell. So that's it. Thank you for listening. See you in next mission.